Hello guys. So we were doing current affair from 7th July to 17th of July. So I have already uploaded part 1 and part 2 video and this is part 3. So let's start our current affair discussion. Okay, I hope you know about Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. And Ministry of New and Renewable Energy started a scheme known as Pradhan Mantri किसान ऊर्जा सुरक्षा एवं उत्थान महाअभियान. This is kind of a big name, but the abbreviation is PM Kusum. So in this scheme, what happens? Government, install solar power pump, but the problem arises that some fraudulent website claimed that registration of PM Kusum scheme had been started, and because they were getting the data from farmers, because farmers thought that government had started PM Kusum scheme, so this was actually an illegal act, and hence government has issued a advisory against this fraudulent website. Okay, I hope you know this, know about Bangladesh and Rohingya Muslim and Bhasan Char. This thing is important in this. So listen, there is a island in Bangladesh known as Bhasan Char. So some of the Rohingya refugee used to live in Bhasan Char, but there was some problem in the Bhasan Char island. So Human Rights Watch has actually told Bangladesh, forget about today, that Bangladesh authority that you need to remove or move Rohingya Muslim from Bhasan Char to Cox Bazar refugee camp. So let's talk about next current affair. So it is about ecology and environment. You must be knowing about World Meteorological Organization. So World Meteorological Organization has warned the whole world that in next 5 years, the at least one or more month will have temperature warmer than 1.5 degrees Celsius of pre-industrial level. So coming 5 years, you will have some months, either 1 month or more than 1 month, that month's temperature will be at least 1.5 degrees Celsius warmer than pre-industrial level. So important question. Okay, this is very important actually. The Chhattisgarh High Court started first time India's E-Lok Adalat on July 11. Okay, so this is important question. Which state had started India's first E-Lok Adalat? The answer will be Chhattisgarh High. Okay, I hope you know about Biocon. Biocon is a very big Indian pharmaceutical as well as biotechnology company based on Bangalore. So they created a drug known as Itolizumab. Okay, and Drug Controller General of India actually approved this drug and have told hospitals that you can give this drug in case of emergency for in COVID-19 patients. So remember this drug name, Itolizumab, and it is developed by Bio. Okay, this is about rocket and satellite. So China's 19th launch of 2020. In 2020, China has launched 19 times. And there is a rocket in China that is Kuai-Jiao 11 rocket. But the mission was failed and all the 2 satellites in the rocket were lost. But important thing is we all should know Kuai-Jiao 11 is from. Next is again news from China itself. China embassy has issued a warning about deadly unknown pneumonia circulating in Kazakhstan. But Kazakhstan officials said that there is no new virus. That virus is actually COVID-19 itself. Okay, so we all know about PPE, that is personal protection equipment. So, when a doctor wear PPE, usually after they wear it, and after they remove it, they discard it. But Loyal Textile Mill Limited has launched in world's first reusable PP. So let's move to the next. Okay, so look, this is all about tapping market of India. So Google will invest 10 billion in India in next 5 to 7 years. And why they'll spend $10 million? Because they want to tap digital ecosystem of world's fifth largest economy. So remember this thing, Google will going to invest $10 billion. And why? Because they want to get this digital ecosystem. They want to tap digital ecosystem of world's fifth largest economy, that is India. So let's move to the next slide. I hope you know about Ruskin Bond. He is a great writer and based in, I think he lives in either Uttarakhand or Himachal. I am not very sure, but he has written many books and some of the books are very famous and very good. Please do read. But a new book is coming on July 20th. Name is A Song of India. Okay, so you need to remember Ruskin Bond's new book A Song of India will be scheduled to release in India on July 20th. 20 तारीख को होगा. Okay, another question. Awad bin Hassan Jami, a popular cartoonist, he died away. He passed away in Jamnagar. Forget about yesterday. Okay, this is a good question actually. Dada Saheb Phalke Award for documentary. Remember this award, this guy named Kejang D Thongdok, he got Dada Saheb Phalke Award for documentary and he created a documentary on honey hunting. Okay, he created a documentary on honey hunting. Remember this thing? And he was basically from Arunachal Pradesh. So a guy from Arunachal Pradesh named Kejang D Thongdok got Dada Saheb Phalke Award for documentary on honey hunting. Okay, this is good news for world actually. Russia completed clinical trial on COVID-19. But this trial, they have completed clinical trial phase 1, they have completed phase 2, they have completed, but still they are supposed to do phase 3 also, as well as even in some case phase 4 also. But good news, they have got some good and promising result. Okay, this is another good question. Okay, so 2 new Israel assault rifle. The name of the assault rifle is Arad and Carmel. Okay, Arad and Carmel will be now manufactured in. So let's move to the next slide. And this, the first current affair is, okay, Assam researcher has developed 2 rice variant named Ranjit Sub-1 and Bahadur Sub-1 for submerged area. The important point is Assam researcher has developed 2 rice variant, Ranjit Sub-1 and Bahadur Sub-1. The name is Ranjit Sub-1 and Bahadur Sub-1. Okay, Madhya Pradesh has started a new campaign, a very fascinating campaign. Roko Toko. So if you are not wearing a mask in Madhya Pradesh and you are roaming without a mask, then people and government will target you and will tell you that you are supposed to wear a mask outside your home. So Roko Toko is that campaign. Okay, Ministry of HRD releases guideline for online education, that is Pragyata. The guideline name is Pragyata. Look what is happening because of COVID-19 scenario or condition. All the schools are closed, all the colleges are closed. So all the education which is happening online, either via Zoom, or Google, or Microsoft Team, uh, or Google Meet. But the problem is excess amount of screen time can be unhealthy, and hence HRD minister has released a guideline like how much class you can take online, okay, for every section. So let's move to other. If It Bleeds is a book written by Stephen King. Remember this? If It Bleeds, written by Stephen. Okay, a very important question. Sachin Awasthi, not Sachin Tendulkar, it's Sachin Awasthi, bags prestigious Global Humanitarian Award in London. Good question. Sachin Awasthi, Global Humanitarian Award in London. Okay, next slide. Okay, remember this. India has given around 8 million US dollar to 61 island across Maldives. And why India had paid? Because India wanted to create a ecosystem where you can do outdoor fitness equipment. So India has actually paid for outdoor fitness equipment for 61 island. So remember this, 61 island, $8 million US dollar. Okay, Sikkim observed 206th Bhanu Jayanti 2020. So who is Bhanu? So look, Adi Kavi Bhanu Bhakt Acharya is a very great and pioneer writer in Himalayan literary. Just 200 years back, if you see, there were many good there were many good books which was actually written in Sanskrit. Even like Ramayana was those days written in Sanskrit. But common people were not able to understand, Sanskrit, and hence the Bhanu Bhakta Acharya, along with other literary Moti Ram, translated many books which was written in Sanskrit into basic Nepali language. Okay, so this is a discovery by IIT Kanpur, IIT K. According to this discovery, they have actually discovered a equipment known Suddh. Okay, so it is a equipment which is based on ultraviolet light, and this equipment can sanitize your room within 15 minutes. So they have developed a sanitizer which is based on ultraviolet rays. So okay, so this was obviously done to sanitize or to kill COVID-19 viruses. So we'll do the next part of the video, next part of current affair in next video. So I'll stop here. Bye bye. Do subscribe.